I welcome you to this powerful guided meditation to manifest unexpected money fast. Before starting the meditation, make sure you are not driving or working on any machine. You can sit or lie down comfortably with your spine straight and shoulders upright. Gently close your eyes and breathe in, breathe out. Divert your attention to your third eye, that is, in between your eyebrows, brow chakra. Slowly make your breathings deep. Now, while focusing on your third eye, you might get a lot of thoughts. Gently pass those thoughts and start coming into a relaxed mode. Now, visualize that a light is coming from the universe and moving over your head. And when you inhale the light and freshness and divert this light to every part of your body so that you release any type of heaviness, tension, and negativity from your mind and body. So, inhale the light and divert this light to your head. And if you have any type of heaviness, tension, or negativity there, just release that when you exhale through your mouth. And your head is becoming light. Now, move back to your head and inhale the light and freshness. Divert it to the back of your head and release any type of heaviness and tension. Now, to your face. Inhale the freshness, relax your face, and release any type of heaviness and tension. Keep doing it. Move down to your neck area. Inhale the freshness and exhale the heaviness. Down to your shoulders. Inhale the light and exhale the negativity, and give a command to yourself that with every breathing I am coming into a deep relaxation mode. Down to your chest area. Inhale the light and exhale the heaviness. Now to your arms, elbows, and hands. Inhale the freshness and release any type of heaviness, tension, or negativity there. To your stomach area. Inhale the light and exhale the heaviness. To your kidney area. Inhale. Feel the light moving there and release any type of tension, Now, down to your butt area. Inhale the light and exhale the heaviness. Now, to your thighs. Inhale the light and exhale the heaviness. Down to your knees. Inhale the freshness and relax. Now to your calf muscles. Inhale and release the heaviness, tension and negativity. Down to your feet, fingers and the soles of your feet. Inhale the light, inhale the freshness and exhale the heaviness, tension and negativity. Now you are in a complete relaxation mode. Just one more time. Inhale the light and scan your whole body from top to bottom. And if you find anything left or there is any type of heaviness, tension or negativity left in your body in any part, just release that when you exhale. Now you are in a complete relaxation mode. Just align yourself with the sounds you are listening. Open your channels to connect with the divine energies. Focus on your third eye. Slowly, you might feel a pressure there. That is okay. When you focus on your third eye, and from there, create a pure white light energy portal on your third eye. See yourself standing there. Now, I will say 1, 2, and 3. When I say 3, just enter into that portal. 1, 2, and 3. Move inside the portal and you see the complete white light everywhere. You are able to see your back from wherever you are sitting or lying and see yourself moving inside the portal. You can open your hands to come in the receiving mode, to welcome the energies coming towards you, to receive them, to accept them. Now, you visualize in front of you money. You see a lot of coins and notes falling down from the sky. Different denominations of the money. 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 and more. Look on your left, look on your right. Everywhere, wherever you see only money. All this money coming down. You own this money. Start absorbing the energies coming towards you. These are the positive energies, and amplify your emotions when you receive those energies. When you know that this money belongs to you, how do you feel? Keep absorbing the energies. Now, repeat these affirmations with me with full conviction and belief. I am open to receive these energies. I am open to receive this unexpected money. I am a magnet of money. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Put your hands on your heart and feel the gratitude towards the universe, to the divine, and to the powerful energies. Keep repeating these affirmations with me. I am worthy of this financial abundance. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I attract wealth, success, and prosperity into my daily life. When I receive money, no one else loses. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. The universe is abundant, and I am a part of this abundance. I am grateful for the money I have now, and I am grateful for the money that is coming to me. My income is constantly increasing, and I am becoming financially free. Keep absorbing the energies. Keep feeling the affirmations. Money flows to me like a river, and I allow it to circulate freely in my life. Now, visualize this money is moving into your bank account. The figures increasing in your statement. Have a look on the amount. When you look at this figure, you have a smile on your face. Feel the energy of this abundance and financial freedom surrounding you. Amplify your emotions. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement. Say to yourself, I am open to more opportunities, and I am ready to take practical steps towards my financial goals. Now, decide that what will be your next step? What are you going to do with this money? And see that you are doing it. And now show your gratitude to the divine, to the universe, to the God you believe in. Keep amplifying these emotions when you show your gratitude. And say, I am grateful to receive this unexpected money into my life. Now, start coming out of the portal, and when you feel ready, step out of the money portal, believing that the energy of abundance continues to surround you. See that the portal is getting closed. Come back to your place. Keep breathing. And now visualize the roots growing from your feet into the earth and grounding this energy, balancing this energy. You are coming into the alignment to receive this unexpected money for which you have desired. Saying thanks to the divine once again. Say thanks to the light. Say thanks to the God you believe in. Say thanks to your inner guide. Be in the same mode for some time. Start listening to the sounds in your environment. Become aware of the place you are sitting or lying down. Become aware of your body. And once you feel okay, rub your hands, put them on your eyes, and with a smile, come back. Open your eyes. For some seconds, be in the state of mind that you have received this abundance and you deserve it. Slowly come back to the normal mode. Thank you for listening to this meditation. Thank you. Thank you.